Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 16, that is water, a precious resource. In the previous lectures, we had discussed about importance of water, different sources of water, water cycle and the processes involved in water cycle. About groundwater we had discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the depletion of groundwater. We all know that this groundwater used by the people as much as possible for them. They use it in a very you can say a lot of use is there. Hand pumps, tube wells are there, boring is there, wherever construction site is there. So we are using this groundwater in a huge manner. So how this groundwater is always be there? This groundwater is restored or replenished by the seeping of rainwater. By the seeping of rainwater. This groundwater is restored or replenished by the seeping of rainwater. And this maintain the water table in the ground. Now we have to understand that if there is a problem, that if this water is not restored or not replenished, then what will happen, and what are the factors which create problem for the restoration or replenishing of this groundwater. So there are some topics we have to understand. There are some phenomenon we have to understand. The first of all, increasing population. Number two, increasing industries. And number three, agricultural activities. These are the mainly three things which affect the restoration or replenishing of groundwater. So let's discuss one by one how increasing population will affect this groundwater. So as you know, we humans, whatever resources are present here, we use it like it is for infinity, means it is always present. Unthinkingly we are using, without thinking we are using this resource. So this is the problem with our population also, and we know our population is expanding day and night. So when population will increase, for them we need to build houses, we need to build offices, we need to build roads and various other things we need to build, and for that we need land, and for that we need water. For construction we need water. So mainly we use the groundwater for that, and we construct industries and whole lot of things for the population. And most of the places, what we will do, we will cover it with cement, that is the pakka floors. And what's wrong with pakka floors? This pakka floors don't allow water to seep in the ground. If kacha floor is there, water is entered in the soil by seeping or infiltrating the soil. But here, because of pakka floor, this is not possible. And on the open areas like parks, playground, we build buildings. So gradually this also gone. So in this way, this increasing population will create pressure on the groundwater. Like in Delhi and Mumbai, in summer season, borings and motors are not able to take the water from the groundwater and to the tanks, because the water table goes down. And we discussed about water table. Now next comes the increasing industries. So we all know that industries need water, and every day if you read newspaper, some industry is opening in a whole lot of places, and this increasing industries demand water for their use, use, and this water comes from the groundwater. If you make a list of the industries, you will find that these industries use groundwater at some phase of their production. So this also create problem for the groundwater. And nowadays there are rainfall is not also good. So because of scanty rainfall, there is a problem with water also, with groundwater also. Now comes the agricultural activities. So rainfall of our agriculture, or most of the farming areas of our country depend upon the rainfall, but because of scanty rainfall or irregular rainfall, this water problem is there. So they prepare borings to take the water from the, so because of this boring and tube wells, there will be a pressure on the water table, groundwater. And also nowadays increasing population create a pressure on the agriculture that they have to produce a lot, and for that they have to use a lot of water, and rainfall is scanty or erratic or irregular, so they use groundwater in huge amount. So class, I hope you are able to understand the reasons for depletion of groundwater. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.